Hi, so this is my billboard that I created when I was reading about what ASUI was really wanting for their billboard. They were really focusing on there's a time and a place to use your phone. It's not in class, it's not at a concert, and I really wanted to emphasize that it's also not when you're driving. So I said in my billboard that there is a time and a place, and I'm willing to change that title, but I think that it encompasses all that I wanted my billboard to say. I think that the emphasis on the mindfulness creates a sense of responsibility for when you are using your phone, and it's not when it's distracting others or if it's distracting yourself from your own education. The picture that I included kind of is just a general cartoon of a phone, but if I wanted to make it more realistic, then I can use, like a, an actual iPhone or a Samsung. But I think that regardless, I should include that. Um, and then I wanted to do the black on the white with the red bar because it isn't distracting, and that's the number one thing I wanted to show in this billboard is time and a place. There is not a distraction here, so I think that that is why I chose that color palette. And then blue and red are complementary colors, so I think that it's a nice balance. I probably could change the background color, but I like where it's at so far.